Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I wanted to show you the way how you can remove an emoji from your video clip with the Capcut. The device that I use today is iPhone XR, and just need to open your Capcut right away. Open the project that containing emoji of it. Now here you can see that my video has emoji right here, and whenever I tap it into this emoji, there was no actions pop up or comes into this emoji, so we cannot do anything about this emoji. If we want to do some action for this emoji, you just need to go tap into the clip. Oh my bad, you just need to go click into this text option, so they will be activated into this emoji section. Now just need to go tap into the section and the option will be showing off, so you just need to go click this X button, or you can also click delete to remove the emoji. So that is today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it a lot, and let's meet again in two other tutorial.